How to fix unable to load or play video on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on troubleshooting and fixing video playback issues on an iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open your settings, and then first of all, you gotta turn on the airplane mode and then let it be for a few seconds, and after that you can turn it back off. And once you've done that, you can try resolving the issue. You can head over to gallery, try playing the video, and your issue would be resolved. However, if the issue is still there, you're going to make sure that you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. If not, I suggest you to switching to a strong Wi-Fi network. And if you're using cellular or mobile data, I suggest you to switch to a stronger network. And once done, you can just head over to gallery and your issue would be resolved. However, if the issue is still there, you can try force closing the gallery application by just doing it like this, and you'll be able to see that it will force close the gallery application, so you can start the gallery application again and your issue would be resolved. And if not, you can head over to general within your settings, and then you gotta click on iPhone storage. Make sure that there is enough storage in your phone, because sometimes because of less storage the videos are unable to be played. So if the issue is still there, you can scroll all the way to the bottom, click on apps, and here you're going to search for photos. So just go to the P section, click on photos, and over here what you're going to do is scroll down till you find the option of autoplay motion. So you're going to turn it off, and here what you can do is simply go to your gallery again and open that specific video. So here is that specific video, and you'll be able to see that when you play it right now, the issue would be resolved. However, if the issue is still there, you can click on these three dots at the top right, and then you can click on duplicate. And then you're going to play the duplicated version, and once you play that, you'll be able to see that that is playable and your issue has been resolved. So that was basically how you can fix unable to load or play video on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.